Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the cunning idiom smoke and mirrors. It's a clever way to describe deception or trickery, where something seems impressive or real but is actually an illusion meant to distract or mislead. It's about seeing through the flashy facade. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. That company's profits looked great, but it was all smoke and mirrors. The numbers were faked. The movie's trailer was epic, but the plot? Pure smoke and mirrors. It didn't deliver on the hype. His campaign promises were just smoke and mirrors. They sounded good but lacked substance. The idiom smoke and mirrors has theatrical roots, tracing back to the 18th century, when magicians used literal smoke and mirrors to create illusions on stage. The phrase was first recorded in English in the 1770s to describe such tricks. By the 20th century, it evolved into a metaphor for deceptive tactics in politics, business, or media, where flashy distractions hide the truth. Popularized in journalism and pop culture, its vivid imagery makes it a sharp way to call out falsehoods. Use smoke and mirrors to point out deceptive tactics or illusions that make something seem better than it is, especially in casual chats about business, media, or promises. This idiom carries a witty, skeptical tone and is perfect for informal conversations where you want to expose trickery or hype. Be cautious in formal settings, as it can sound critical or cynical. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.